Hey, Merry Christmas, sexy babes. Welcome back to the channel. It's doobie time. Time to smoky dopey. Do you see my light flash? Gosh, I wish I could have music on. Oh, these heels? Oh my goodness, like, not only are they too small in whatever ways, they're not wide enough, they're not tall enough. I guess they're long enough, but, like, it definitely not. Whose feet are like this wide? Are you serious? You're lying. Other people's feet are that big, that wide? That's not true. No, I've seen feet. Never mind. I've seen people's feet. Do you see how skinny that is? Bruh. Obviously, my foot is hanging on both sides. Like, whose foot is that skinny? That's how skinny it is. Bruh. It might be an inch and a half. So it's wobbly. It's even more wobbly because of that, I think. I feel like, I don't know. It was weird. Like, yeah, it's easy to, like, step on your foot sideways like your ankle goes, because of whatever. It's just weird. And I don't know. They weren't supposed to arrive until after Christmas, so they came today. I just ordered them last night. So maybe I'll try and order another pair. It's just, these were like $75 or something. Oh my goodness. Like, most expensive pair of shoes I've ever bought with my own money. I've had way more expensive shoes, but I didn't pay for them. I mean, my parents did when I was, a kid. I guess some of my boyfriends bought me shoes too, but like our income was put together. Some of us, like, one of them had his own business. He had owned 2 businesses of his own, and I worked with him. Oh, I'm doing my nails. Okay, I'm doing them a little differently this time. I'm gluing them instead of with glue. I'm doing it with hard gel, builder gel, because I keep reading that that's what you can do. I'm like, okay. But then I do that, and then they pop off so easily. It's because the builder gel is so smooth and glossy, yeah, like, and it needs a rough, scratched up surface for stuff to stick to because, I don't know, yeah, it needs to be scratched up. Like, you're supposed to use a nail file and scratch to take the shine off of your nails, off your natural nails before you do it. So, but my other nails were done this way too, so, like, are they all gonna fall off? I don't know. I still have to do this end. Do you like my ring? It's so big, right? It's a bow. It's such a pretty bow. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Pink diamond. Love it. These rings are loose on me though. Where are you watching from? Recommend a good Christmas movie for me to watch. I need to get like a cone or something for my cat because she's like licking herself too much and she's missing fur kind of on her back a little bit. Like, I can tell it's thinning out. I know she had flaky skin there before. I'm putting coconut oil on it, but then she wants to lick it all off right away. like excessive grooming, I guess. But I think it's because she has dry skin. So I was thinking, I wonder if anybody I know has a cone that they're not using for their pet right now. But then I was like, wait, maybe it needs to be a certain size, or can you size them when you put them on? I don't know. I'd be scared, I mean, I guess it works the same as a collar. Like 2 fingers, right? You know, I'm probably like, what the fuck is she talking about? Just smoke. What time is it? I think it's like 9:30. Maybe 9:30 exactly. Yeah, it is. What are you doing for Christmas this year? What's your plans for Christmas Eve? I'm gonna be definitely having drinks throughout Christmas. I mean, well, I was drinking last night. Yeah, I was drinking iced coffee and rum. Yeah, joints get hard to smoke with these nails. I wouldn't be able to do it. If once it gets that low, it's really hard. I have to use a roach clip or something. I don't know where my roach clips are right now, so I'm like using scissors to pinch it, and I have that ring thing, but also too, like, the ring is holding it, and the ring is like that wide, so you can't smoke it, but it's the same, the same as what I can hold it with my nails. I'm not going to be able to put my jewelry on, my earrings and my necklace with the nails. Like, how do people do it? I guess it's because I'm used to going in and like using this part of my finger, the tip, and I need to use the pads of my fingers, basically. It's just really awkward. There's like something that I feel like I'm about to say, and then I forget what it is right away. No, I don't fully remember. I don't fully think of it. I'm like, wait, there's something, and then it's gone. I don't know. I'm probably high. Should I straighten my hair for Christmas? I think I will. I haven't had it straight for like a few weeks or maybe more than a month. I forget when I straightened it last. My lips feel dry. The winter time, the air is dry. Where are you watching from? Do you guys get winter weather where you're at? How cold does it get there? Like, do you get snow and everything? We've had snow for, I don't know, a couple of weeks, I guess. It was like, I guess we had like an Indian summer. Even into November, it was like in the 20s. Like, bro, 20 degrees, 21 degrees? That is crazy. Like, because we've gotten snow on Halloween, October 31st. A lot of the time we have, Not every year, but... And it didn't even... Wait. It is winter yet. I think the first day of winter was yesterday. Okay, I'm done. I hope you guys like this video. Happy holidays, season's greetings. Much love to you all.